Why some people don't enunciate the sound of T in the middle of a word? You might have asked that question. Actually, there is nothing wrong, okay? Nothing is wrong if we do or do not enunciate the sound of T in the middle of these words, for example. Well, we are not native speakers of English, but we sometimes do that. We ignore the sound of T, especially when it is after an N, because it gives us the more natural way of speaking and it also lessens the work of the tongue, making our tongue more relaxed when uttering words. For example, identify, identity, internet, encounter, 20, accountancy. Are there some more of these words? Let me know in the comments.